Today I'm extending my Starlink internet, which runs directly into here. But I also need it over here. Trust it to start bloody raining. I previously run the powered Ethernet cable into what would eventually be our office. And for now, it's also our temporary home. And once that's finished, I'll need internet over there. And I was going to do that wirelessly, but because I've got an open trench that I'm going to fill in next week, I bought 30 odd meters of armoured Cat6 cable, along with some cleats, a patch cable, a back box, a network wall plate, and this fancy kit here. So here's the plan. Here's my Starlink router, or is it a router? Arthur, what is it? I've got the first generation, so I've got auxiliary there. So I think I can plug this into this, which I'll fit into this, into that wall there, and I'll run the wire all the way behind that wall through here and out the back just over there. I did consider running it in front of the wall there, but I'd rather put it behind. But I'm too big to go down here. But guess who's small enough? Arthur, you come and help Daddy. Whilst it's still raining outside, I might as well just set this up, kind of, because I don't even know whether it's even going to work. So we're going to go from there with the patch lead. I'm going to go straight into this. This is like a travel router. It's got a micro USB just there, and then I can plug the Ethernet cable just into here. I'm thinking once I've run the Cat6 cable into here, I can use that little router to give me internet in here, because I haven't actually got any power. I could probably run it off of a battery bank. Okay, that was total aggro trying to sort it out. I didn't think it was going to work at all, because I bought this little travel router off eBay for like a tenner. So it's second hand. I just thought it was broken. I was spending ages trying to look for YouTube videos, for the instruction manuals, and in the end I ended up getting it connected by just pushing the reset button, so it will work. Okay, you're over there because it's still raining. If I come 200mm across from that soil pipe there, I will hit the water pipe. So that come through in an alright place. If I tie that end to Arthur, I can send him down there. Arthur said he won't work past 6 o'clock. It's 7:45 already. Just have to do this by himself. So I think this is stiff enough, sufficiently stiff enough to just shove down there, and hopefully it won't get hung up on anything. I've got this bulldog clip. I'm just going to clip on the end here, and then hopefully that'll allow me to get it down the other end. I wanted to put it over here, but I don't think I've got it that far. So I know that there's a stud here, so I'm just going to go for this side of it. Should we say here? Before I fully commit to that, I'm just going to drill this hole through there. And then we're going to use my new inspection camera to take a look. Hashtag gifted. We've got 5 meters of this. This is waterproof as well. We're going to use this to look down my French drains another day, where I'm actually going to give away one of these as well. Basically, it's got one camera and it's got a camera on the side. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the other camera. Right. So hopefully up on screen you'll be seeing what I'm seeing. And then, so that's directly below it. And then just there, can you see that black wire? It's stuck on that bloody clip right there. We've got a little hook. Okay, I can fit my hand in there, but I'm going to swap to the camera, the inspection camera.
Is that okay?
Yeah, just wait there a minute. Oh no! The clip come off. Oh no. Right, come here, skinny arms.
Who?
You. Right, just down here,
Yeah.
there is a black wire. Same as down there.
Yeah.
Can you get your arm through here and get that?
What, and pull it?
Yeah.
I can't get my arm back through.
Yeah. Can you be on camera for that bit?
I don't know. I haven't done my hair.
The camera and hook was good. It was the bulldog clip that failed me. Right. Thought I'd wait until we had some daylight. I've got to wire this into this now. If you look there, it's color coded. You see that there? That's a white and blue right at the bottom. I haven't got a white and blue. Oh, fuck's sake. Okay, I got there in the end, I think. If it focus. Do you reckon that'd be alright? This was shit. It was supposed to like clip the end of the wire, but it didn't. That's why they're still hanging out. I will just have to cut them with this. Okay, that's one side kind of done. Now I need to do the other side, the pain in the arse side. Now I need to clean out this trench of the 40mm stones, and then because this trench is full of flint like this, it's quite sharp, and the armour cable, yeah, you can lay it in the ground, but you can't lay it in the ground with sharp flint like that, so I'm gonna have to duct it. And here's some ducting within the stinging nettles. Ah!
Why are you doing that without?
Oh dear. Okay, I think I've got enough. Well, I have got enough. The black one. I might as well run it all the way. I don't need to duct it up there because I've just got gravel up there, but whilst I'm doing it, I'll just get it all in. But I want to leave this bit clear because I need to have another gully into there, and then I need to dig this bit out as well for the drive. So I want to keep the wire clear so it go around the back. That'd be better. So this will be me for the next couple of hours. Oh, I don't want to do it. Oh, that one fell down the other trench. Bloody hell. I'm ready to wrestle the ducting. I've cleared my trenches, well, this trench anyway. This was aggro over here because I had to clear it down to the actual foundation, and then I had to crack the end of it so it wasn't as drastic. And I'm not sure what I'm supposed to be doing about this. I've been distracted. Obviously there's nothing to do with what I'm doing now, but can you see that's higher than that, so it slopes down, and then it also slopes this way. So I've been trying to think in my head, how am I going to transition between the two? What do I need to do about it? I have no idea what to do. Yes. I've got this little string cord running through it, but one of these has snapped on me before when I was pulling cable through, so we're not going to risk it. I've just went and got some of this. Why does this always bloody happen? And you know, if you haven't got a draw cord, you just tie a bag to it and suck it through with a hoover. That reminds me of the very first thing I done when I got here. Ta-da! Hello, monkey. What doing? You help Daddy? You kind of need two people, one to shove it from one end and one to pull it from the other, but we'll get there, we'll get there. Yay! We are there. I'm not sure I've got enough. Well, I've got enough. Well, I intended to just put it through here, just here, but I've changed the position where I want it inside now. So I know I've got 500mm extra up there. I need about 2.5 meters. Oh, we're very close. There we go. You see my shadow? You coming with me, Arthur? He has to follow me everywhere now because Lou's gone out. Okay, so this gets to here, which is almost. I need another 300mm minimum. So let's go and pull some wire through from upstairs. Right then, so I still need to do the cleats, the clips down the edge of the lodge there. Then that's all good. I'll probably put another one just in the corner down here, and then I'm going to clip it to the floor across here, go through there, and then I'll put a box the other side. But I'm not doing that yet because that glass is in the way. So just for now, I'm going to put an RJ45 clip on this side here, and then I can have the internet just here whilst I work. So there's two ways of wiring up these network cables, an A way or a B way. That one's B over there, so you need to do B over here. I'm not going to show you how to do it because I don't really know what I'm doing. I've never done it before. What happened there? You absolute fucking... I put it in the wrong way round, didn't I? Absolute bloody moron. Go to use the tester. That one doesn't require batteries. This one does. Undo the back. What battery? Square battery. Square battery. Who the bloody hell's got a square battery these days? Oh my God. Should we just go straight for it? We have got a little bit of Starlink, TP link. Correct? Yes, Yes! Should we just do a speed test quickly? Speed test. Nice. Nice. I'm amazed that that works like first time. Considering the amount of aggro I had with them doors, I didn't think it was going to work. And I've got coverage everywhere in the barn / house. I'll go over the other side. So, excellent signal strength. Let me ask your opinion on something. Should I be running network cables all the way around here? I've seen people saying, yeah, you should run it to every TV and everything, but can't you just go wireless indoors? Look, and over here, connected to Starlink, but full strength on the TP, which is just over there. So now this can stay exactly where it is forever. I've got both buildings connected. And did you notice my thumbnail, the sun doesn't even set over there. It sets over there, like next to the house. So I reckon 25% of you have probably made it to the end, but less than 10% of people give me a thumbs up. So if you can, it really helps out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.